Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now let us move on to another expert advisor from the RobotForexPro marketplace. And in this particular video, we are going to be analyzing the MultiPair Expert Advisor. All right. Quick reminder as we go through this website, Robot Forex Pro lists all of its EA with results verified from Myfxbook apparently, and every listing carries that same disclaimer that past performance does not guarantee future results. Okay, so on the multi-pair product page, the platform is confirmed right away as MetaTrader 4 only, and it is priced at $199, reduced from $450, with the same licensing structure as other expert advisors. So we can see that there is one live and one demo account, or two live accounts, both counted together. Now, what makes this one different is right there in the name. It is designed to trade across multiple pairs at once, including EURUSD, GBPUSD, EURJPY, CHFJPY, and EURCAD. Now, according to the overview, it combines rules-based price action with support and resistance logic, and it also includes an optional news filter you can toggle on or off. You get to choose which of those 5 pairs you actually want to, that you actually want it trading, and it is compatible with standard ECN and even sent MT4 accounts, which gives it a bit more flexibility depending on your account type. All right, so now for the historical performance, the current Black Bull market account shows a gain of 302.22%, a drawdown of 38.71%, a daily average of 0.82%, and a monthly average of 27.98%. Let's just also view the Myfxbook page. All right, I can see that the absolute gain here is 269.48%. Okay, in this case, and the deposit was $200. No withdrawals so far. And the balance currently $834.8, equity $828.41. All right, so now let us just look at the second account, the old X-Chief account. The gain, the account here closed due to the broker switching servers rather than any stated performance issue, and we can see that this one shows, okay, it seems like the page is not opening. There seems to be something wrong with this page. All right, so let's just look at the image that is being displayed here. This shows a much larger percent of 5,908%, alongside a drawdown of 36.87%. Okay, so that drawdown figure on both accounts sit noticeably higher than what we saw before in another expert advisor, the single pair EA. All right, and that makes sense from a trading perspective. So now running multiple pairs simultaneously can mean more overlapping exposure at any given time, depending on how positions are sized and correlated. That is not necessarily a red flag, but it is something worth factoring in if you are thinking about your own risk tolerance and account size. It is also worth remembering that a jump from one broker to another, like what happened here, can naturally shift results because of differences in spread, execution, and server conditions. And that's not unique to this EA. Okay, it's just part of how live trading works. Okay, and as always, this is licensed for personal use only. It's non-resellable and delivered by email once you send your MT4 account details over. All right, so just going through the key features again, a brief recap. This expert advisor is an automated trading software for MetaTrader 4 designed to operate across multiple currency pairs. It uses rules-based logic, including price action, support and resistance, and optional news filtering to identify potential trading opportunities. And then the key features are that it supports these currency pairs that we've already mentioned: Euro USD, GBPUSD, Euro JPY, CHFJPY, and Euro CAD. Users can choose which pairs to trade. It uses a rules-based price action and support and resistance logic. There's optional news filtering, multi-pair operation with configurable parameters, and also adjustable position sizing, stops, targets, and filters. And it works with standard ECN and sent MT4 accounts, and it's for MT4 only. All right, and the support and lifetime updates are included. Okay, and remember that past performance does not guarantee future results. Okay, this disclaimer is very important. And RobotForexPro provides software tools only and does not provide financial advice. So MultiPair EA is an MT4 tool trading 5 pairs with a price action and support and resistance approach, optional news filtering, and historical drawdowns that run a bit higher than a single pair alternative. And it is worth testing on demo account first, and it is worth deciding for yourself whether that drawdown profile fits how you manage risk. And remember that no expert advisor works for every trader. So it is very important that you do your own homework before deciding anything. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.